हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं शिव कुमार वर्मा केंद्रीय विद्यालय आजमगढ़ से आप लोगों के लिए आज एक वीडियो बना रहा हूं जिसमें ये शो करेंगे कि किस तरह हम हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट अ स्टेटमेंट एल्जेब्रिकली एंड ग्राफिकली मीन्स ज्योमेट्रिकली आल्सो. फॉर दिस आई हैव चोजन अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 3.1, द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. नाउ आई रीड द क्वेश्चन. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is 300 rupees. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. For this, let us suppose that let the cost of 1 kg apple be x rupees and cost of 1 kg grape be y rupees. In the question we are given that cost of 2 kg apple and 1 kg of grape is 160. According to question, cost of 2 kg apple and 1 kg grape is 160 rupees. If we choose from our supposed part, the cost of 2 kg apple will be 2x rupees and cost of 1 kg grape is already y rupees, therefore 2x plus y is equal to 160 rupees. 160. This is the equation number 1. Again, in second condition, cost of 4 kg apple. In second condition, cost of 4 kg apples and cost of 2 kg grape is 300 rupees. This implies that 4 kg apple cost means 4x plus 2 kg grapes cost is 2x 2y, that is 4x plus 2y is equal to 300 rupees. This is the equation number 2. Now we have represented the situation algebraically. This is algebraic representation of statement. Now we will represent the equation number 1 and 2 geometrically. For this, we have done this type of representation in class 9 of chapter linear equation in two variable. For this representation, we will choose 2 points on each equation. Now we will solve equation number 1 first. From equation number 1, we have y is equal to 160 minus 2x. If x is equal to 50, then y is equal to 50 to the 100, that is 60. If x is equal to 40, then y is equal to 40 to the 80. 160 minus 80, that is 80. If we draw table for these values, then here x and y is equal to 160 minus 2x, that is if x is 50 then y is 60, if x is 40 then y is 80. Now similarly for second equation we can write equation number second. We will get 2y is equal to 300 minus 4x, that is y is equal to 300 minus 4x upon 2. If x is equal to 60, then y will be 4x here, 4x. 60 4 ja 240, 300 minus 240, that is 60 upon 2, that is y is equal to 30. And if y is equal to let us take y is equal to 70. If x is equal to 70, then y is equal to 300 minus 280, that is 20 upon 2 and 10. Now the required table is x and y is equal to 300 minus 4x upon 2. The values are for x 60, y is equal to 30, for x is equal to 70, y is equal to 10. Now we have chosen two values for each equation. We can recall from class 9 that you can choose any other many other points on a number line, so your chosen 2 points can be different from me, so you can choose any 2 points from your choice. Now we will show the points. We will show the points A 50, 60, B 40, 80 and P 60, 30 and 70, 10. Let the point is Q on graph paper. To get on graph paper to get algebraic representation. For this we will take a graph paper, and here I have already drawn axes for our question. I have taken x axis, y dash as y axis, and I have chosen scale 1 centimeter is equal to 10 unit for both x and y axes. Now let us see our point, and we represent here. The first table is the first point A is 50, 60. A 50, 60. 50 is here and 60 is here. The point is this 50 point A, 50 and 60. And B point is 48, 40 and 80. 40 and 80. Forty is here and 80 is here. The point B is 40, 80. Now if join point A and B, then AB will show the equation number 1. And this is the equation number 1, that is the 2x plus y, this is the line 2x plus y is equal to 160. And for second equation we will show the point PQ, that is 60 30 60 30. 60 and 30 is here, point P 60 30, and Q point is 70 10, 70 and 10. Q point is 70 10, and if we join the point PQ we will get geometrical representation of equation number second. This is the geometrical representation of second equation, that is equation 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. Hence we have shown the statement, given statement or question in both ways, algebraically and graphically or geometrically. And now we will see further how to solve linear pair of linear equation in two variable by graph method. The process will be same.